our highly requested blended season. Enjoy.
Back at it again once more out of the request corner. Yeah, you know, followers request how we prepare our seasons, our maize. We call it, you know, natural homemade blended green seasons. Alright, so we kick it off. You know, we have a pound of tomato, pound of onion, 2 cloves garlic, yeah, ginger, and you know, pimento seed, sweet pepper. We have the scotch bonnet here, you know, it have to spice up the thing, and thyme, half pound of scallion. So yeah, these are the colorful ingredients we're gonna use to just put this homemade, you know, paste together. And we're gonna leave out with vinegar and, you know, local boiled coconut oil. Yeah, real coconut oil. So yes, so stay tuned. We are gonna just go and prep, you know, prepare the onion, get rid of the outer layer, also with the garlic. Yeah, we're gonna remove all the outer layer, and with the scallion now, yeah, we're just gonna clean them up, remove the dry and the disfigured and the battered strong. Yeah, watch what I go on. We'll clean up and just get right into it. Okay, alright, so we're at it again. Get our vegetables washed up, clean up, ready for dicing. So, you know, everything else can mince, but except for the thyme. Yeah, we don't want too much of the rough stalk. It's mostly the top part of the thyme. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share. Yeah, your comment is always appreciated. And also subscribe. Really, I gonna put them in that chunky, you know, we just give them a little dice so that, you know, them can fit in, or we can add most of the vegetable to the blender. So we're just gonna cut them down to a mention and then add them to the blender and then start the magic. So, and you know guys, the coconut oil, you know, give it a buzz, give it a flavor. And you know, anything coconut touch, yeah, coming like a gold. Fry some fried dumpling or ackee and salvage coconut oil. Yeah man. Never wanna stop pre. Yeah, so you know, this is our Jamaican scotch bonnet. You see me? So if you're not fond of spicy flavored food, then you can just use the skin, because the skin gives the flavor and then the seed gives the spicy, the spicy taste. So if you want the spicy taste, yeah, you leave it as is with the seed. But if you just want the flavor, the scotch bonnet flavor, you just take out the seed and just use the skin. So, you know, choice is in your hand. Whatever you choose, whatever you desire, whatever you crave, you just go ahead and just make your puree just to suit yourself. So, and you see, I leave the seed in mine because, you know, my fiance loves the spicy thing, you know. She like when her eye and her ears and her nose are drip. I have to flavor it just to suit her taste. There's no hard and fast as how small, how large, how big you want your vegetable dice. You just dice them as long as they can fit in the blender. You know, the blender will do the rest. But you know, I love to dice vegetables, so that's why I'm just getting these vegetables a bit smaller than the norm. But you don't have to dice yours as small as I am dicing these right now. But as I said, yeah, I love dicing vegetables. So I just do this for the entire day. So now that we're almost finished, we're gonna get the blender up and running, so we can go ahead and finish. Okay, yes, colorfully decorated table. So now we're just gonna start our blending process. So you know, yeah, I pre-crush some
Pimento seeds.
Yeah, so now we have all our vegetable dice chopped, ready to get going, ready to swirl in that 5-speed blender. Yeah, you know, we onion, ginger, scotch bonnet. I start running water already on it. Alright, so we have a tomato, Escallion, thyme, sweet pepper, and you know, the garlic there in between, and with pimento. So we're just gonna add the harder or the tougher ingredients first. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the harder, tougher ingredients first. So you know, we pimento seed. We just add to the blender. Yeah, we have a put ginger. So we're not going to put in whole ginger at once. You know, we are going to put in a tubes of everything, tomato, because the blender is a small one, so it's not going to hold everything.
So we're going to do 2 sets so we can get everything fully blended.
So a little garlic. Now we're going to put in some onion, sweet pepper, yeah, and some of the thyme leaf, scallion, pepper, okay. So to help liquefy, we're gonna now add some vinegar. Yep. We're gonna, you know, real magician. Coconut oil. Okay, so we're just gonna give them a couple whips. Even though the blender was full to the brim, look at the volume of puree we have now, almost half. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna continue adding more ingredient, more vegetable, so that we can have all of the vegetable used up. So we're just gonna continue add a little of everything: ginger, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, and continue to blend. And just add a little more coconut oil to help. Help with the smooth blending, as my beloved, you know, state. So here we go again.
So this is the consistency, guys. It is not based on our liking, so we're just going to go ahead and pour it a little bit more and allow it to get smoother.
Yeah, so you know, the veg them have them own like a moistness in them, so we don't need no heap of water to get them blended and puree out. So you don't have to put a lot of vinegar or coconut oil. You just put just bit by bit until you reach that consistency that you're looking for.
So no water was added to the mixture. We didn't add any water to blend the vegetables. So this is the container that we're going to use, this clear glass jar, and we're going to fill it up. I don't know what's the measurement for this, guys, to be honest. I don't know. This is just a random jar I have in storage.
Yeah, so this is our final product, homemade blended season. I know this amount, yeah, this can last for a period of time, 6 months. Fill this jar, and we're gonna store this in the fridge. Just look at that, guys. Yeah, ready to apply. So here we go, guys, ready to apply your homemade blended vegetables seasoning. So you can, it's an all-purpose really. You can use on anything, any meat. You can even use it to season your rice and peas, your stew peas, brown stew fish, curry goat, just about anything, any meat kind you're about to prepare. So there we have it, our homemade blended seasoning. So don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and keep on sending those comments.
I hope you guys enjoy. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.